mga short. Ayun na po. Ayan na. So, sinunog na rin itong ah, backhoe, no? Itong backhoe na makikita nyo po.
Nanghihinayang sila doon sa ninakaw na tax pero never sila nanghinayang doon sa damages na sinira nila. And that's how they think. They would be able to bring justice doon sa nawalang pera. Instead of actually helping the government organizations like ICI or the DPWH at the current leadership with Vince Dizon, they chose to wreck government properties that the government would fix, and yung tax na naman yung tao yung gagamitin doon. Sayang. Ang daming grupong naghugas kamay. Yung mga organizers from Luneta na nagmarcha papunta doon sa Menjola, yung so on and so forth. Ang daming naghugas kamay. Now, here's what they could have done better. Unang-una, sana hindi na lang sila umalis sa Luneta. And mas pinaigting pa sana nila yung security by actually asking, 'di ba? Those people who are in mask to remove their mask para makilala sila. Marami doon sa Luneta yung nagpunta ng nakamaskara. And katulad ng karamihan na nakamaskara, alam nila kung para saan yung maskara na yun. It's to hide their identity para pag nanggulo na mamaya, doon na magagamit yung true purpose ng maskara nila.
This is Pinoy Extreme.